I'm Brigadier Sam Okiding, Sector 1 Commander. Sector 1 area of responsibility covers the regions of Banadir and then Lower Shabelle. Banadir region houses Mogadishu City as a capital center. My message to my people, my brothers and sisters in Somalia is that together we have sacrificed. And our sacrifice has not gone in vain, because right now we are in electoral process period. Our prayer is security starts with each of us. Therefore, we must report dubious or suspicious movements, people, equipment, to enable AMISOM and Somali National Security Forces to protect you. AMISOM with the Somali National Security Forces will work together, hand in hand. And therefore, we're inviting you to join us so that we make this electoral process a success. We must reclaim the glory of Somalia as it used to be in the past. Together, there is nothing that can defeat us. May the Almighty Allah bless you all. Thank you very much.